Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to start something a little bit different and we're going to try a little experiment to see which has the better outcome. I've got two journals on the go at the moment. I'm going to paint two identical backgrounds. I'm going to see where my mood takes me and just where my inspiration takes me. Then at the end, I'm going to ask you which one you like best. Now, if you love painting, I would definitely recommend this fun challenge because you really get an opportunity to go in two completely different directions. Now, you don't have to do this activity all in one go. You could paint a very basic background in one session and then you could leave it to dry and come back to it and have further sessions. Or if you like wet on wet style painting where you just keep painting and carry on and not let the layers dry so much, then you can also have fun doing it that way. That would be very creative. It would take you into lots of different directions, I think. Okay, so let me show you first the background that I chose. So you can see I chose a very light pink wash. I painted a little sun in the sky and I painted a band of green for the ground. So there's nothing magical about this background. It's very basic. After I got the backgrounds painted, I then started to let my imagination run a little bit wild, and they did go in quite different directions. So let's get started. So we're going to start off in the Gratitude Journal, and I've simply put a little bit of masking tape down the middle so the paint doesn't run onto the other page. And I'm going to mix some colours for the sky. And now for the Nature Art Journal, and we're going to do a 2-page spread. So it's going to be a slightly bigger painting. So I've now added a sun and a band of green with a little bit of shading, and I've decided to add a little bit of water to this picture, inspired by a trip I made out the other day to a botanical gardens. There was a wonderful display of flowers there, and while I was looking at it I was thinking about a painting, so I think that with that picture in my head that could work really well. There was also a lovely pond, fish pond, so I think we'll put some fish in this water. inspired by those flowers, we now have a riot of flowers. Oh, and a little interlude. I had a little companion next to me while I was painting today. Osk, looking very relaxed. I mean, he looks very uncomfortable to me lying on my desk, but he was fast asleep. So back to the double spread in the nature journal, and I'm going to make the sky a little bit moodier, I think, inspired by the riot of gorse and heather that you see on Dartmoor at the moment. So, okay, we've come to the end. Which one did you like best? This was the one in the Nature Art Journal. It's more of a natural scene. It's inspired by my trips to Dartmoor and the beautiful heather that's out there at the moment, all over the place. So that's a more natural scene. Now the painting in the Gratitude Journal is a little bit more abstract, and I also used more collage details there. So they are quite different. I'm not sure which is my favourite, but what I do know is that I really enjoyed the process. It was a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good week, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now. enjoyed that video. Now I wanted to give you a little teaser for next week's video because a few days ago I took a trip out to Dorset, which is the next county to where I am in Devon, and I went to Thomas Hardy's Cottage. It's a museum preserved by the National Trust, and I am a big Thomas Hardy fan. I love his poetry and I love his writing. Now, I wanted to go because I was seeking some inspiration for the art journal and some creative projects, and I went this time particularly to look at the garden, and I was so inspired by it that I felt that I really wanted to try and get that feeling into the journal, into the art journals. So using my gratitude journal, which is lovely because it's got lots of different textures in it and pages to paint, to work on. I located a couple of fabric pages that are in here, and I found in my stash box a couple of old embroidery transfers. Now, I'm not a great sewer. I can do a tiny bit of embroidery, well, the most basic. So I decided I would press a transfer into the gratitude journal and do a little bit of mixed media art using some embroidery, some paints, some pens, some different mediums, and get something in the journal just as a way of remembering the beautiful garden there. So I'm just going to share a couple of clips now just to show you the garden and give you a little taste of that beautiful garden before we start getting creative about it. So yes, so thank you for coming along. I really hope you enjoyed the video today, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.